Hey everybody, it's Bill here with a couple of different tips for you to be able to share on your back to school night page. You can see here that some people have entered links and some people have actually entered hyperlinked text. And I'm going to show you today how to easily enter hyperlinked text for whatever you want to do. So for instance, I have a Zoom link right here. So what I can do is just type in Mr. Hickok Zoom room right here. And that's what I want, whatever I want it to look like. Highlight it. And then right here, I can go to the insert link button. So right here, I just click on this and I can pretty much type any link in here I want it to go to. So let's just type in for right now, the greatest website in the world, PurdueSports.com. I'll apply. Got it. So then all I've got to do so then when they want to go to this link, they end up going right here. Again, the greatness just shows in every aspect of what you're doing. So I'm going to go back to the back to school night. And so really you can do this for your questions for later. You can do this for anything you want to. And as you can see here, that's how Mrs. Monroe did. And that's kind of got me thinking about how to do this. So again, you can type in whatever you want to here, highlight it, again, hit the hyperlink button, and you can paste whatever you can keep whatever text you want to, but you can put any kind of link you want to in a box. And so that's just how to maybe make it a little quicker, maybe a little neater for the back to school night. And actually you can do this in any kind of piece whenever you're doing a spreadsheet or whenever you're doing a Word document, when you can type in whatever you want to and then call it whatever, you can link it to whatever. So that's kind of a quick tip on Google Docs and how they run. All right. Thank you guys.